Hi everyone, hi mom, it's Liz here at The Paper Project, and today I'm sharing with you guys my latest design team project for Calico Collage. This is using the Daydreaming kit, and I believe it's in two separate sizes now. She has it for the traveler's notebook size and for a regular journal as well, regular size journal. I've also used some elements from the flower and lace kit and one other one that I will link below. Everything will be linked below and listed of what I've used. So I've done a couple projects and I'll show you that in a bit, but I'll start with the traveler's notebook. It's a standard size traveler's notebook and I absolutely love how this turned out, you guys. So here's a butterfly with an element from the kit, and I've made it into a paper clip, which you could use anywhere else, but I thought it went so nicely with the with this kit. The closure is removable, and this is also because whoever gets this might want to actually put it inside a cover. It really doesn't need it. It can be on its own because it's nice and thick. This is an element from the kit, and what I've used is a file folder to make the cover. I love this file folder. It's so thick. Look at the images also in the back. It's got these gorgeous flower prints. So this is what I got to work with. Is this not stunning? I love the colors. I love everything she's done. So I've done some tabs with some of the paper bits. Inside here I've got the pocket, which is a library pocket with the card from J9 Scraps, and then I've got a quote here that's also part of the digital. Look at this giant tag. Just love the images that Norella has done. And then I just added a little mason jar because why not? And that one I think is from the Flowers and Lace. The thought behind this traveler's notebook is as well for someone that doesn't want to have bulk, that can remove it. So I've left the majority of items removable. All the embellishments can be moved somewhere else. Get the cute little bird paper clip. And this is just an envelope. You can open it all the way, and it has a little journaling card. And this again is from the Flowers and Lace. Very junky. I've also added it's a digital with words. I forgot the name, but I'll link it below. And this is also meant to be like an inspirational type of journal, or you know, something that you can use as a journal prompt. So I've left words throughout. I've used some of my stickers from my watercolor sticker book, vintage wrapping paper, J9 Scraps bag, and then I made a tiny envelope, and this just a little journaling spot in there. This envelope, I'll link it below. Marie Blondell shows you how to make these tiny little envelopes. This again is removable, and I just thought I would, you know, just add things that the person that gets this would just either use here or somewhere else. Love that flower, right? This is one of the stickers that I mentioned, and look how nicely it goes with the book, or the traveler's notebook. So this is a guest check from J9 Scrap Shop, and I've just sort of embellished it with a little bird there, and it's a tuck spot as well. I love seeing all the guest checks that everybody's doing now, how they're, you know, kind of embellishing them. Kindness there. J9 Scraps time card. And then I've also added a coloring page because I thought this is also kind of like an artsy style journal. Again, one of these gorgeous pages from that book that I like to use. This is an extra sheet from my Filofax that I didn't get to use, so I added it there. Look at that gorgeous tag. More of the gorgeous stickers. This flips out, and it's just got washi tape, so if you wanted to take it out completely, you can. And look at the center. Oh, I love it. And then here's just another pocket again with a sticker, and I've just made a little journaling card here, and then a layaway tag from J9 Scrap Shop. Probably won't be able to get it in now. Yes, here we go. I'll put that in later. And so then it's just, it's really, there's lots of space for journaling. I really like to work with these types of journals that have lots of space for me to create. But I also like to have, you know, embellishments that I can add here and there. Flips out again, and that's a pocket. And then the other side of the bag with another just journaling card there. And then this is the other side of the pocket, and this here says lovely. It's just another journaling card. It's got amazing up there. This flips out. And there's the back with the giant tag in the pocket. Isn't it gorgeous, you guys? Oh my gosh, I love it. So that's the Traveler's Notebook. And then I also wanted to make something else. So this is just an envelope that I made with a paintable wallpaper. I did stitch it closed. It didn't fit in there, so I kind of left it out. But it does have a little journaling card in there. And it's just easy closed with the little element there. That's also from the kit. And then here, this is a J9 Scraps bag that I did stain a little bit. And I added an image from the kit. And this is the clip. It's gold with a little lace. And I thought it just went so well, like as a little, you know, kind of kit that goes together. And what I made here is just blank note cards. And this, actually, I just recently saw a video from, I think it's Liesl. And she did some journaling, some note cards, and I thought, brilliant idea, because I wanted to do something with these images. So I made one of each, and they are just on scrapbook paper, and then this is a nice cardstock page that I used, and I thought it would just be so nice to, you know, have something added to the Traveler's Notebook. So it's almost like a little journaling, you know, kit. You can keep a card, send a card, you know, write a note of who you sent the card to. I just, you know, it just sort of screamed to go together, and that's sort of what I did with it. So I hope you guys like the flip through. Thank you so much for joining me. All the information on the listing will be below, and I will see you guys soon. Thanks so much for stopping by.